Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an indoor fountain. And folks, you can basically do this any type of way you want, using any type of container. The only thing I'll tell you about the container, I'm actually using a very large flower pot. The flower pot cannot have a hole at the bottom. If it does, then you need to seal it up with some type of sealant, cement sealant preferably, so that the water won't seep out. But I've gone ahead and gotten started to put my fountain together. And you can actually see the pump, the very small pump. You get it at Home Depot for like 20 bucks. And the only thing you'll have to do is, when you get the pump, you'll have to put this tubing on, which is really simple, and cut the top to see how that comes out. So what you want to do is, I have some rocks over here, and what I'm going to do is situate the rocks accordingly, and then I'll come back and we'll go to the next. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding some of my little rocks. I got my big rocks in, and now I want to start adding some of these little rocks, because what you want to do is, your whole goal is to, of course you want to fill the fountain, but you want to make sure that that hose is but you want to make sure that hose is up here. I like these rocks. Okay, so I'm going to continue to fill these up with rocks. I'm going to alternate, because I actually have some other rocks that I want to put in here too. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the next set of rocks that I'm going to put. Okay, so I'm going to put some, I put some of the color rocks in. I'm going to put a little bit more. Just to, again, you can find these glass rocks. I got those glass rocks from Pier 1, but I think you can go to any type of arts and crafts store like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, any type of craft store, and you should be able to find those. I don't know if they sell those at Home Depot. I don't think so. Again, you can structure your fountain any type of way that you want. The next thing that you want to do, once you have all of your rocks in, what you want to do now is you want to pour in some filtered water. So I have some filtered water here. Put as many or few rocks in there as you want. You just want to fill up the whole. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And what I like about this fountain is, again, it's something that I created. I like the sound of the water. I actually can put a little bit more water in there. Well, that is actually that's about the extent of the fountain. Again, if you want the tubing to be higher, of course the water will, come above the tubing onto the rock. I did cut my tubing a little shorter than I should have, so of course the water is not coming through like I would like it to, but you can see the water there coming through the tubing. So I'll put a link to my blog so you can get more information on the tools and supplies that you'll need to create this, and also where to go to put your to pick up the items that you need for your fountain. This is Teresa, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.